Today we're going to go over this box right here, which is Outdoor Pantry box I won from Rainman over at Instagram. So this box right here is from Outdoor Pantry. Chris put a contest for his birthday up on Instagram and Outdoor Pantry sponsored it. So let's get in here and check it out what's inside. Here you go. See what's in here. As it says right here, this is a variety box of Rain Man's favorites. OutdoorPantry.com. Inside your May variety box, you'll find number 1, freeze-dried biscuits and savory pork gravy. Number 2, freeze-dried vanilla coconut cookie. 3, freeze-dried hamburger skillet. That sounds good. Number 4, a freeze-dried chicken yakitori with fried rice and a lime-rich broth. That sounds really good too. And number 5, a freeze-dried cheese curds crunchy cheese snack. So let's check all these little ones out in here and see what they're all about. Number 1 in the box was the freeze-dried buttermilk biscuits and sausage gravy. There you go. Let's see here. Pretty simple instructions. Remove the oxygen absorber and biscuits. Add a cup of hot water to gravy or more is desired. Stir and reseal a bag. Let sit for 3 minutes. Stir gravy and crumble biscuits on top for a crunchy texture and enjoy. So I'll be trying this one out on my next trip. Try that out for breakfast right there. Buttermilk biscuits and sausage gravy. Servings is a 1 pouch. Calories 544 calories. Number 2 is this little bag right here. This is a freeze-dried vanilla coconut cookies. It is serving size 1 cookie. There's 2 cookies in here. Calories 185 each. Just cookies, so coconut cookies, those should be good. I like coconut cookies. There's like a little coconut thing I get from the Girl Scout cookies that are good, so I can imagine this is going to be good too. Number 3 in this box was this meal right here, which I'm sort of excited about. It is a freeze-dried hamburger skillet. As most of you know, I really like the Packet Gourmet All-American Works Burger. So this is something similar, hamburger skillet. I'm seeing it's got some pasta in here. So maybe this is more like a Chef Boyardee meal or something. Prep again, remove the oxygen absorber, add a cup of hot water to the bag, reseal bag and let sit for 6 minutes. Mix food, let sit for 3 more minutes and enjoy right out of the bag. Let's see here, calories 501 calories for the 1 pouch. Ingredients, beef, all sorts of other stuff in there that they've got to put in there. Black beans, corn, tomatoes, tomato puree, chicken bouillon, garlic, Mexican cheese. So this actually looks pretty darn good. I'm sort of excited to try that one out. So I'll make sure this is my dinner on my next trip. Number 4 in this box is this meal right here. Is a freeze-dried yakitori chicken and fried rice. And I believe on the box it says it is in a lime-rich broth. Super easy again. Remove the oxygen absorber, add a cup of hot water. It looks like all these meals add just a cup of water. That makes it super simple. Let soak for 9 minutes. This 1 pouch here is 360 calories. I can see the rice in here. I can see the chicken meat. It looks like there's all sorts of little things in here. It looks pretty good. I would open it up to smell it, but I don't want to ruin it right now. I have to use it sooner than I need to, but that is a freeze-dried yakitori chicken and fried rice. Number 5 in the box is this freeze-dried natural cheddar cheese curds. I've been eating a lot of these keto snacks. I'm not on keto, but it's a keto snack. It's like a Parmesan crisp. I've been having some of the moon cheese. Was it last weekend when we went to Dry Lake, which was really good. So this looks similar. I really want to open this up and eat it right now, but I want to save it for the trip as well. Serving size 1 ounce. Servings per this bag right here is 6 servings. It's 110 calories per serving. It's just cheese and that's it, freeze-dried cheese. And as I can see, I didn't even notice it, but right there at the bottom, it does say gluten-free keto. So that's pretty cool that for you, all of you out there that are on that keto diet, it does have some keto meals here from Outdoor Pantry. Well, I'm really excited to try out these meals here on my next trip. Whoever's with me, they'll get to sample them too and see how they are compared to some of the other meals out there. If you get a chance, check them out right here. OutdoorPantry.com. Also check out Rainman Chris. Check out his Instagram channel. It's right here, Rainman Hikes. Check it out. Also got a link below for you and a put a link on that card up there. I never do the cards, but there it is. So I hope you do appreciate this video. Hope you liked it. Hopefully this is something new for you to check out, the Outdoor Pantry meals. If you did, give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe. Always appreciate that. So until the next one, thanks for having me.